Welcome to Getting Started with Spring Boot 2. My name is Petra Simonis. I've been working as a software developer since 2003 in various fields like multimedia retrieval, telecommunication, GIS services, and healthcare. As a generalist, I realized software projects for Windows and Linux systems with Java, C++, or C#, and gained extended experiences in creating web services with Java and C++. What will you learn within 7 sections? Let's take a look at the course overview. In Section 1, you will learn how to set up your Spring Boot development environment with various IDEs. In Section 2, you will create your first application with Spring Boot MVC. In Section 3, you will set up your custom configuration with securing your application against vulnerabilities, segregating with different profiles and external configurations for different environments. In Section 4, you will learn how to access and persist relational and non-relational databases. In Section 5, you will monitor the health status of your application with the Spring Actuator Starter. In Section 6, you will learn how to publish and subscribe messages using JMS. In Section 7, you will increase your development speed with the help of Spring Boot development tools. Now let's take a look at the prerequisites you need. You should be familiar with programming in Java to develop Spring Boot applications. Depending on the used IDE you want to use, you must install either Eclipse with a Spring Tool plugin that you can purchase over the Eclipse Marketplace. NetBeans IDE provides a built-in support for the Spring framework as well as IntelliJ. Or you install Spring Tools Suite that is based on Eclipse with all necessary plugins. You should also be familiar with either Maven or Gradle. At the end of the course, you're capable of creating Spring applications with Spring Boot 2 fast. You will understand how to implement exception handling and validation in Spring Boot. You will be capable to connect to databases using Spring Data and the JPA Starter. You can prevent vulnerabilities in your apps by using Spring Security. And you can monitor your app with Spring Actuator. So let's get started.